It's a 2012 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: V6 engine, front heated leather bucket seats, external memory control, rear parking sensors, driver memory seats, power heated mirrors, integrated navigation system, power sliding and tilting sunroof, remote engine start, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com reports a small crossover, the Terrain stands out thanks to its stylish cabin, versatile back seat, ample standard features, and sophisticated driving manners. GMC, professional grade vehicles suited to fit your needs. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
From sales to service to parts and collision repair, call or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1701 North Mitchell Street in Cadillac, Michigan.